Hi, I'm Dr. Ronald Occhiogrosso. The kids will call me Dr. O. I run the Science Club here at Holy Trinity. Science Club is an after-school program that meets once a week, typically on Wednesdays, from 3:15 until 4:30. As we get closer to the big annual event, which is the Greater Kansas City Science and Engineering Fair, there's additional meetings, in fact, on Saturdays and even a couple days during spring break. The students pick a topic that interests them, and it's something that is going to motivate them, something that they're going to want to embrace. Students will work solo or in groups of 2 or 3. This year we had 26 students in the Science Club, and they worked on 11 different projects. And then we entered the Greater Kansas City Science and Engineering Fair. You can see with these boards we had multiple gold ribbon winners, silver, a couple of bronzes as well, and we even had one best in category.
Our project is measuring how much calcium is in water bottles.
We pour the water in here, and then we use this thing right here, this calcium sensor. And when we dip it in, it should tell us how much calcium is in there, and that would show up right there. These are our handmade solutions that we had to make when we ran out of our solutions that we had originally. We had to use the calcium chloride that we have right here to mix it with, and we had to add water, distilled water, to create it.
This is our project, potassium chloride fireworks. We took 5.50 grams of potassium chloride and melted it in a test tube and dropped a variety of different candies to get different reactions like this one.
Our hypothesis was that if we vary the sugar content we put in the molten potassium chlorate, we will see a change in the intensity of the flame. And our results show that it was true. The more sugar content, the bigger and brighter the flame.
Our project was building a hovercraft from scratch, and we called our project Will It Fly or Will It Die? And our hypothesis was if we carry a heavy object on the hovercraft, then the speed of the hovercraft will slow down significantly. And our results was that's incorrect because it's the same amount of horsepower projecting out of the leaf blower, creating the same amount of airflow.
We built our hovercraft from scratch, so we cut out all the wood in a circle and painted it.
This is our hovercraft. So our project is called Soda Fountain, and we tested sodas to measure the amount of carbon dioxide in them, and we tested these sodas.
We only measured with the pressure probe for the last two, and we found that Diet A&W is the most powerful.
The soda that worked the best, Diet A&W.
Experiment is called the cabbage trends.
The purpose of this experiment was to add various mixtures to red cabbage juice.
The various mixtures that we add would change the red cabbage juice a different color.
What color it is depends on the pH of it, on the pH scale.
The things we used in this experiment was a pH probe, a LabQuest Mini, and pH buffers, which changed the colors blue, yellow, and green.
Sand be a liquid, and turns out it actually can if you add the right amount of air pressure.
The air pressure is making the sand kind of float, I guess, and it behaves like a liquid. So what you saw is, you probably saw some of these little pieces of cork floating, and that's because the air pressure, normally corks float on water.
So what we did is the effect on flight due to different densities of materials, and we checked that in the wood. We did one test without air and like 2 or 3 with water in them.
There it goes. All right, let it rip. The Science Club is open to grades 5 through 8. And any questions, just email, call, stop by and see good old Dr. O.